Congratulations on completing the course. Thank you once again for taking this course. Please remember to keep me updated on your progress or anything else that I can help you with. Meanwhile, here are my other courses which might interest you. Number 1. Learn ethical hacking by hacking real websites legally, Part 2. Learn ethical hacking by hacking real websites legally, Part 1. Internet of Things, IoT, Robotics, and Hacking with NodeMCU. How to monetize your Construct 2 games using AdMob Ads 2020. Android mobile app development with Onsen UI and PhoneGap. Monetize your mobile PhoneGap apps using AdMob Ads 2020. Create mobile app icons using Inkscape. That is all from me, and I wish you all the best and hope to see you again in my future courses. Thank you.